you go.
What are you doing, man?
Go get Mommy.
What are you doing?
Ready to...
Well, you were just inching along.
Out now. There you go. There you go.
Oh my God. You started way back there.
We need a bigger sheet. Emmy, no, honey. He's crawling, Mommy. Look. Put your arms out in the front. Go get Mommy.
Cade.
Cade?
What are you doing, Duda?
Going to sleep.
What are you
Go
doing?
get Mommy. Hey, Cade.
What you doing? Are you getting sleepy, man? What are you doing? He looks so tired.
Right off of the mic.